Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, tbsp. Today's tutorial is on how to make mug cake. This mug cake is super soft, it has no eggs, and it takes just 1 minute and a microwave to achieve this beauty. So guys, follow me through as I show you how to make this happen. The magic, I mean. Firstly, of course, we need mugs because we're doing a mug cake, right? Adding those ingredients in is just the basic steps because, well, for this, we do not need to separately add the dry and the wet. We can just do this all at once in one place and also mix it up at once without mixing anything first and anything last. So as you can see, guys, it has basic ingredients and it has no eggs. Again, no eggs. If this is your first time on my channel, guys, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. For this mug cake, I am doing vanilla and chocolate, and I am also adding chocolate chips to both of my mug cakes. As you can see, I love chocolate in vanilla and chocolate in chocolate. It tastes wonderful. And of course, I'm adding flour to my remaining chocolate chips so I can add them on top of the cake. And of course, the full written details and recipe will be written down below in the description box, so do check that out. Bake these for 1 minute in a microwave and you achieve this. Look at how soft this cake is. It's so pretty and it's so amazing. It also tastes amazing. The vanilla and chocolate chips is amazing. The chocolate and chocolate is amazing too. And guess what? So is the funfetti. Yep, I did this at the same time. But since it takes the same procedure as my other vanilla cake that has chocolate chips, I just added different toppers and sprinkles in there. So either way, for this I added sprinkle and the other it's chocolate. So that is why. Please do try it out and comment in the comment section below. I would love to see how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.